Alright guys, Big Truck TV here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change a blower motor resistor. So if you've ever been in your car before, you turn on your AC, you can see right here we have it on. Number 1 setting, it's not working. Number 2 is also not working. 3 is not working, but 4 is working. So if you have any of these symptoms in your car, stay tuned because the video is going to help you out. Alright, so I'm in a 2007 Jeep Liberty right now, and the resistor is located in the glove box. So for other make and models, it might be a little bit different. They might be located in different places, but for the most part it's pretty straightforward. It's the same process. So let's get into the dash and take it apart. Alright, so the tools I'm using is a wrench, a socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the glove box. If you have anything in here, you're going to just want to take it out. And you can see on the side here, there's these 2 little clips that push in, like that. There's one on this side that you have to get. So this comes right down. Alright, so the resistor's right in here. This is the wiring harness right here. You got to take this top bolt off, and then there's a bottom bolt down there that you have to get. So what I do is I use my socket with the extension. You could use an impact driver or like a ratchet, it doesn't matter. And then with the wrench, I go in from the bottom and I stick the wrench up through the top, and I get it that way since it's too tight to get the ratchet in there. So I'm going to loosen these bolts and let's get it out. Alright, so we got the 2 bolts off. So now this right here, if you grab it, it should slide right out. Right there, as you can see. This one doesn't look too bad. These 2 pieces right here, sometimes if it stops working, one of these will be broken and you'll be able to see it. But I already ordered one of these, so I'm just going to replace it and hopefully we fix the problem. Alright, so we got the new part in. It took a couple of days to get here. I put this back together just because I still drive the car, so I needed the AC still. So we're going to take this out again, replace it with this new one, and let's see if it works. Alright, so we got the old resistor right here. Right here, as you can see, these 2 little tabs right here are broken, and I think that's why it stopped working. Most of the time, for more common problems, they will break over on these, but these seem to look fine. So I'm assuming it's just that one right there. We have our new resistor right here. We're going to plug it in the same way the other one was and slide it back in, and then we're going to test it out and see if it works. So let's do it. Alright, so we got the new resistor in. Before I put it back and bolt it in, I just turned the car on, making sure all my things work. So 1, 2, I don't know if you guys can hear that. 3, and then 4. So they're all working again, so that is a problem. So now we're going to turn off the ignition, and then we can put that back in and bolt it down. Alright, so you guys can see the AC is on right now. I just turned it on a second ago. We're blowing at 60 degrees right now. Usually it blows about 50, anywhere from 45 to 50. All 3 settings work. Number 3, number 2, and number 1. So we're going to let it cool off a little bit. Let's see how cold it gets. And yeah. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. As you guys can see, all 4 settings are working. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera. But yeah, easy, quick fix. If you guys haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share. I do videos like this all the time, so stay tuned. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.